we just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favourite reviews, very inspiring. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.